Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add websites as a custom shortcut icons on your home screen in FOSSIBOT F101. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome right here, open whichever website you want to add as a shortcut and click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, find the settings click on the three dots, and on the bottom we should find add to home screen and not the settings. Then we can name our icon however we like, and when you're ready, select add to home screen. Now we can close the browser and here's the website. Click on it and it should open the website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.